This tutorial is for first grade, Module 2, Lesson 1. In this lesson, we're going to look at how making tens can help us add three numbers. The first question says, Bill went to the store. He got 1 apple, 9 bananas, and 6 pears. How many pieces of fruit did he buy in all? So you can see I have a picture drawn with discs showing each type of fruit. So we have 1 apple, 9 bananas, and 6 pears. We're going to add the numbers 1 plus 9 plus 6 to get the total number of fruit. What I'm looking for is which numbers can I combine to make a 10, and that will make it easier for me to add the fruit together. So you can see this problem has been done for us. We've circled the 1 apple and the 9 bananas. We've combined 1 and 9 to make 10. Now all we have to do is add the 6 pears onto our 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. That tells us that Bill got 16 pieces of fruit. So finding that 10 first helped us add these three numbers. Here's another example. This one says Maria got toys for her birthday. She got 4 dolls, 7 balls, and 3 games. How many toys did she get? And once again, we have a picture showing each toy, and we have a disc showing the number of toys in those sections. So the numbers we're going to add are 4 for the dolls, 7 balls, and 3 games. Now I need to look at these pictures and decide which two can I combine to make a 10. Well, if I look at the balls and the games, in the ball section I have 3 empty spots. If those 3 spots were filled, this would equal 10. So I'm going to combine the balls and the 3 games because these discs would fill in those 3 empty spots. I'm going to show that down here in my equation as well. I'm going to combine the 7 and the 3. That gives me 10. Now I just had to add the 4 dolls in. 10 plus 4 is 14. That means Maria got 14 toys. Question number 3 says Maddie went to the pond to catch 8 bugs, 2 frogs, and 3 tadpoles. How many animals did she catch altogether? So we have our picture of our bugs, our frogs, and our tadpoles. And again, I'm going to look for a combination that would give me 10. When I look in the bug section, I can see 2 empty spots, and those spots could be filled by the 2 discs that are in the frog section. So I'm going to combine my 8 bugs and my 2 frogs. So I have 8 plus 2 plus 3. The 8 and the 2 combine to make the 10. That means I have to add on 3 more. 10 plus 3 is 13, and that tells us that Maddie caught 13 animals. The last question says Molly came to the party with 2 red balloons. Kenny came with 4 green balloons. Dara came with 6 blue balloons. How many balloons are there? So I have my picture here showing the red, the green, and the blue balloons. I'm looking for a combination that will make 10. I know I have to add all together 2 plus 4 plus 6 to get my total. If I look at my blue balloons, I can see that there are 4 empty spaces that would make 10 over here. So I'm going to use those 4 green balloons to fill in those empty spaces. 4 and 6 make 10. So that's where I get this 10. Now I just have to add in the extra 2 red balloons. 10 plus 2 is 12. That means there are 12 balloons. So making that 10 helps us add the 3 numbers together.